students. Today we will learn the second part of human genetic disorder, and that is chromosomal disorders. In this video we will discuss the different types of disorders that are observed in the individual. Chromosomal disorders are caused due to the absence or excess of chromosomes, or if there is any abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. So such a situation leads to serious consequences in the individuals. Like Mendelian disorders, chromosomal disorders can be autosomal type or they can be sex linked. Such chromosomal abnormalities or disorders in an individual can be found out by karyotyping. Karyotyping is a laboratory procedure to examine our set of chromosomes. So through this process, it helps us to determine the abnormalities or if there is any structural problem in the chromosomes. Any change in the number of chromosomes than that of the normal one will help us to identify the abnormality in that particular individual through this process, which is called as karyotyping. So today we will learn three types of chromosomal disorders, namely the first one, Down's syndrome; second, Klinefelter's syndrome; and third, Turner's syndrome. Down syndrome is an autosomal type of syndrome. That means the chromosomal abnormality is in the autosomal chromosomes. This disorder was first reported by Langdon Down in 1866. And this disease or syndrome is also called as trisomy 21. We all have 46 number of chromosomes, and Down syndrome is caused by the presence of an extra copy of chromosome of the chromosome number 21. So therefore it is called as trisomy 21. So in these individuals, they will have one extra chromosome, leading to total number of chromosome as 47 in their cells. Such trisomy 21 can occur in the males or it can be in the females too. And such chromosomal abnormality occurs due to non-disjunction during the cell division. That is, the chromosomes fail to segregate during anaphase stage in the cell division. And this non-disjunction we had already discussed in the video mutation. So these individuals will have one extra autosomal chromosome in them. If aneuploid sperm, that is the sperm having one extra chromosome, fuses with the normal egg, or aneuploid egg fuses with the normal sperm, that leads to the formation of aneuploid zygote. So this zygote will develop into an individual will have one extra chromosome in the cells. So therefore, these individuals will have 45 autosomes at place of 44, right? And therefore, they will have altogether 47 number of chromosomes in each cells of these individuals, leading to Down syndrome or trisomy 21. The afflicted individual will show the following symptoms or physical characteristics. They will be short-statured and they will have small round head with a flat back. Their palm will be short and broad with palm crease on them. They have furrowed tongue and there will be gap between first and second toe of these individuals. Also, they will have small ears and the iris of their eye will have spots called as brush-filled spots. Also, there will be skin fold of the upper eyelid. They will also have flat, broad face and partially opened mouth. So, these individuals will have congenital heart disease, physically weak and mentally retarded. They will be also weak with respect to psychomotor activities. So, all these symptoms, they occur together due to this Down syndrome in an individual. So, therefore, we call these symptoms a group of symptoms which consistently occur together in an individual as syndrome. So, therefore, the name is Down syndrome. The next disorder is Klinefelter's syndrome, which is sex linked. Therefore, the abnormality will be seen in the sex chromosome. Such syndrome is observed in males. Here too, the number of chromosomes will be 47 in the cells of such individual. So, the karyotype is XXY, indicating there is one extra chromosome along with the X chromosome. So, Klinefelter syndrome is caused by the presence of one extra chromosome, that is X chromosome, in males, including other X and Y chromosome, leading to karyotype XXY. So, therefore, the number of chromosomes will be 47. So, here the extra chromosome is present in the sex chromosome and not in the autosomal. As in normal males, they have one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. But the individual or males having Klinefelter's syndrome, they will have one extra X chromosome in them along with the XY chromosome. And it happens because of, again, non-disjunction during the meiotic division. That means that is the failure of the X chromosome during the anaphase stage, because of which the female gamete will have two X chromosome rather than having only one X chromosome in it. And such gamete, when fuses with chromosome having, that is the sperm having Y chromosome, leads to Klinefelter's syndrome. So, the karyotype will be XXY, wherein the two X chromosomes are received from the female gamete and Y is received from the sperm in that individual. Here, the male do not develop normal as that of other males, and he shows a number of feminized characteristics. But most of such men, they can live a normal life. This syndrome is also called as trisomy, since there is one extra X chromosome in these individuals, leading to total number of chromosomes as 47. Only the difference here is that here there is one X chromosome extra, whereas in Down syndrome there was one extra copy of autosomal chromosome. So, both are trisomy since one extra chromosome is present in them. The characteristic symptoms of this disorder are tall stature with feminized physique. There is the breast development, and this symptom is called as gynecomastia. So, there will be breast tissues or glandular tissues which will be developed in these men. They will have female type pubic hair pattern and poor beard growth. We also see that these individuals have learning disabilities and they delay in speech. Moreover, these males are sterile. That is, they are infertile or they are not able to produce sperms, as their testicular development is not normal. Next chromosomal disorder is Turner's syndrome, which is also a sex-linked syndrome. This disorder is observed in the females and is caused due to the absence of one X chromosome in them. Normally, in normal females, they have two X chromosomes, but the females having such syndrome will lack one X chromosome, leading to karyotype XO. So therefore, they will have 45 number of chromosomes. So such females with Turner syndrome are known to be XO females, which occurs due to again non-disjunction, that is the failure of separation of the chromosomes during the anaphase stage during the meiotic division. So here the female gamete, which is supposed to fuse with the sperm, will lack the X chromosome in it. So such gamete, when fuses with the sperms having X chromosome, will lead to XO type of zygote, which will develop into an individual having Turner's syndrome. So the total number of chromosomes in these individuals will have 45. That means the autosomes will be 44 and only one X chromosome in them. So since here there is one X chromosome less or one chromosome less, so therefore we call this condition as monosomy, because of which the females or affected individual will have several symptoms. They will be short-statured, poor development of breast, lack of secondary sexual characteristics. They will have low posture hairline and the neck will be webbed type, and there will be extra skin present at the neck region. They will have swollen hands as well as feet and some discolored spots on their skin. Such females are sterile because their ovaries are rudimentary or non-functional. So therefore, they will be infertile. So this is all about human genetic disorders. Those are the chromosomal disorders. Thank you.